Let's work now, guys.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Uncle. Welcome to our laundry store. How may I help you?
I need to iron my clothes.
Okay, Uncle. Let me check you out.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Uncle, your total is $25.
Oh, Emma, look.
Oh no, this is Auntie's shirt. She needs it right now. What should I do?
I think you should use the washing machine to wash it, Emma.
Good idea, Uncle. Let me put the cup here and pick it up. Uncle, we have to wait 10 minutes. While we wait, I'll iron your clothes.
Nice. Thank you, Emma.
No problem, Uncle.
Oh, I think the washing machine is done, Emma.
Okay, Uncle. Oh no, it's so dirty, Uncle.
Uh-oh, I don't know. Oh, you had the phone, Emma?
Okay, let me answer the phone. Hello, Auntie. Your clothes are not ready. You need them right now?
Huh? Auntie need the clothes right now? What should you do, Emma?
I don't know, Uncle. Let's wait for Auntie.
Okay.
Hi, Emma. What happened with my clothes, Emma?
My juice fell on your shirt, and I tried to wash it, but it didn't work.
Huh? I really need it today. I had a party tonight.
Sorry, Auntie. I don't know what to do. Do you have any other clothes?
Yes, I do. But all of my clothes are wrinkled.
Oh, really?
Auntie, I got a good idea. Bring your clothes here so I can iron it.
Okay, I will bring my clothes here.
Okay, Auntie. Uncle, while we wait, I'll iron your clothes.
Okay, thanks.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, you're back?
Yeah, I bring my dress here, but I dropped the coffee, so it's really dirty, Emma.
Don't worry, I can wash it.
Oh, really? Thank you, Emma.
Hey, Emma, I'm busy now. Can I come back later?
Okay, Uncle.
Okay, bye.
Auntie, you have to wait 15 for washing and 15 for drying. Is that okay for you?
Sure. Oh, but what will you do when you wait for my clothes?
Don't worry, Auntie. I'll iron Uncle's clothes.
Nice. Oh, do you need help?
Yes, Auntie. Can you hang this blue shirt up?
Okay. Oh, the washing machine is done. Can you check for me, please?
Okay, Auntie.
Thank you.
Auntie, it's all clean. Now let me dry it. Now we have to wait 15 minutes, Auntie.
That's okay, Emma.
Auntie, can you hang the shirt up too?
Okay, here the clothes here.
Thank you.
Put it there.
Auntie, can you hang this white shirt up?
Okay.
I think your dress is done. Auntie, your dress is done. Let me iron it.
Hi, Emma. Are my clothes ready?
Yes, Uncle. Let me get your clothes. Here you go.
Oh, here's my number. Thank you. Bye.
Auntie, wait a minute. It's almost done. Auntie, your clothes is done.
Oh, really? Let me see. Wow, very nice. How much is it, Emma?
Auntie, you don't have to pay me because I messed up your shirt and you helped me.
Oh, really? You're so nice. Thank you. Goodbye.
phone's ringing again. Let me answer it, guys. Hello, Uncle Tim? I forgot to iron your shirt. Let me do it right now.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Uncle Tim.
Did you finish my laundry yet? I need it right now.
I'm almost done, Uncle. Just wait a little bit. Uncle, it's done.
Wow, thanks, Emma. It looks great. How much is it, Emma?
It's just $10, Uncle.
$10? Okay, no problem. Here's my credit card.
Thank you. Uncle, your card doesn't work. Do you have cash?
Huh? Let me check. Yeah, I think I have cash. Yep, here's $10.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed the show.
Remember to subscribe our channel and to click the bell. See you next time.
Bye.